Hey driving intelligence community, while working on this 2002 F-150 that is relatively rust-free, I noticed something that really concerned me. This bump stop for the front suspension is rusted out at the base. And when I poked my finger through it, it actually went through. I found out that there was all kinds of dirt and grime and stuff loaded in this bump stop, this metal welded to the frame. There's an opening up here, and all that stuff just collects inside here. There's a drain hole here, and there was another drain hole there, which is now gone because of the rust. You can see that I've opened it up, and this is what came out. All that debris held moisture and caused this to rust. And the thing is, it's close to the frame, so if that moisture was close to the frame, then you would have a problem with frame rust. Fortunately, on the other side, I don't have this problem, and it doesn't appear by poking my screwdriver up there that I've got any rust problems with the frame. Just to watch out for any of you that have a 2002 F-150. This is a 4x4. I'm not sure if the two-wheel drive version has the same type of setup.